markets, futures this morning are not looking too bad. Jeff Sica joins me now with details. Jeff, we got Apple, we got Amazon coming out. First of all, on Apple, can its market cap really exceed $3 trillion? It's already at $3 trillion. I remember when it went up to $1 trillion. It was big news. Can it exceed $3 trillion?
Well, that's the big question. But here you have a company that has a market cap that is bigger than the size of most countries like Italy,
That's right.
South Korea. So it's going to take a lot. But who would have thought that they would be able to build this dynasty out of rolling out new versions of old products? And what they have now is they have a upgrade cycle of 250 million people that haven't upgraded their iPhones in 4 years.
Like me.
Like me. And then you have the whole market in India, which is about 1 billion people, which they're just beginning to make progress in, and of course China. So they are really priced to perfection. But what I would say is that it's hard to find anyone on Wall Street who doesn't love this stock. And when that happens,
How about you?
I still like it. I own it, but I'm not chasing it up at this level, because what it comes down to is that if they have a little slip up, keep in mind, David, last quarter, they saw a decline in iPhone shipments in the U.S. of about 20%, 8% globally. So there is that potential that there could be a decline.
Now, speaking about all-time highs, how about Amazon?
Well, Amazon hasn't hit an all-time high since 2021. Amazon is a $1.3 trillion company as opposed to a $3 trillion company. And Amazon, the focal point of Amazon is AWS, Amazon Web Service. If AWS exceeds the projected 9% growth rate, I anticipate that Amazon could get to an all-time high. If it doesn't, it's going to be punished. So I'm just looking at the AWS numbers. That division of Amazon made them $80 billion. This is no joke for them. This
They
is a
did lay
whole
off
separate
27,000 people, which might have been the right thing to do money-wise, but it's
Right.
causing some concern. Very quickly, only 10 seconds on this one, but there might be a streaming merger. Apple really considering to buy Disney, is that right?
Yeah, well, keep in mind, Apple with $200 billion in cash, Disney with a market cap of $175 billion. I don't think it's going to happen. It would be great for Disney and for the long-suffering shareholders of Disney like me if it happened, but there is a big antitrust obstacle with that. Yeah. They have to inherit all of what Disney has done to destroy their brand. They'd have to rebuild it. So I would say that Apple will abstain from that. But I think Apple's going to buy somebody. They are going to buy somebody in media. So you heard it here first.
Jeff Sica, thank you very much. Good to see you, Jeff.